to another video. Thank you guys for making the time out to join Chrisams again. We really appreciate you guys. And today we're going to just take on a little bit of, you want to say hi? Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Alright. Yes guys, so we're taking on a little activity today. We're going to be changing up just a few little things in our living room. As you can see from the previous DIY video that we did with the entertainment stand, we'll be showing you how we'll be incorporating that in our setup, as well as we'll be doing a bit of cable management and thing. And we're going to put a piece of LED strip behind the TV. I can put a link to a few of those from Amazon in the description, so you can check those out. So yes guys, we're going to show you what we currently have and what we'll be doing, alright? So before the conversion, we had our printer on the stand. We have our game and our surveillance camera system there. And we have some wires all over the place. So we're just going to fix up here. We have our chunking and we're going to make the place look decent. So stay tuned guys. Yeah. so there you have it. This is what the quick setup is looking like. And remember, if you have not checked out our DIY video where we created this grand masterpiece, you can go ahead and check that out. As you can see, there are no exposed wires or cables, as they are all tucked away. The LED light is also installed, but when it gets dark, we'll definitely give you a preview of that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for taking the journey with Chris Arms. Journey does not mean we're going on the road or we're taking a trip. It's about life and how we live, the things that we do. So thank you guys so much, and we'll catch you in another video.